maraming nagtanong, kailangan ba talaga magaling ka sa mathematics para kukuha ka ng course ng engineering? Ang sagot ko, hindi. Kasi, pero kailangan mo na makapasa ka ng mathematics para maging engineer ka. Ngayon, ang mathematics kasi, siyempre kung gifted ka na, ano talaga, salamat ka. Kasi kung magaling ka na sa math. Pero yung hindi magaling sa math, pwede pa. Pagtuunan yun lang talaga ng pansin yan. Kasi, ang mathematics naman matutunan naman eh. Practice, practice, practice. Bigyan mo lang talaga ng oras yan. Kaya, lalo na sa, kung gusto mo talaga mag-engineer, syempre, ang engineers talaga, there are more calculations, lalo na kung sa surveying, tapos mag-design, sa mga, tapos yung mga shapes, diba? We are dealing with shapes, mga engineers dealing with shapes, triangles, rectangles, cylinders, spheres, whatever shapes. Maraming ano yan eh. Kaya, sa engineering, gaya nga ng sinasabi ko, hindi naman kailangan na magaling ka talaga para kukuha ka ng civil. Tiyaga lang talaga kailangan. Nung high school pa lang ako, talagang nakita ko na parang okay naman ako sa mathematics. Kaya iniisip ko, syempre, wala akong choice kasi nakakuha nga ako ng scholarship noon sa Mindanao State University. So, sayang naman yung full scholarship ko noon. Ngayon, ini-encourage ko yung gusto makukuha ng civil, huwag nyo kayong mag-alala na kung hindi kayo magaling. Pero matyaga lang kayo talaga mag-solve ng problems, mga sample problems, questions. Talagang makapasa kayo. Kung gusto mo talaga makapasa ng board exam, mag-review ka para maging engineer ka. Yun. Kasi, sa totoo lang, kung maging engineer ka talaga, parang, aywan ko, sa akin lang, in my own opinion, nakaka-proud kung maging engineer ka. Anyway, punta tayo sa sa study room ko, mag-solve tayo ng isang problem regarding triangles. Maraming klase ang triangles eh. Alika, samahan niyo ako sa study room ko. So here we are in the study room for another math problem. Two sides and an included angle of a triangular lot are measured as 2.56 meter, 3.54 meter, and 48.8 degrees respectively. First question, find the length of the third side. Second, find the angle opposite the 2.56 meter side. Third, find the angle opposite the 3.54 meter side. So dito, two sides and an included, that means this is an irregular triangle. Sketch natin yung 2.56, tapos 3.54, tapos yung other side. So ang included angle nila is 48.8 degrees. So, kung ito ay 2.56, tapos ito ay 3.54, ngayon, find the length of the third side. O, ang hinahanap is the length of the third side. So, that means ito. So, kung i-designate natin yan as the first side is A, the second one is B, and the third one is C. So, find the length of the third side. That means, ang side C. Ito ang hinahanap natin ngayon. So, ang gagamitin natin is the cosine rule, which states that C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. Yan ang cosine rule niya. Yan ang formula ng cosine rule. So, ang hinahanap natin is C. A is given, B is given, and the angle is given. So, masolve natin yan. C squared therefore is Substituting the value, which is 2.56 squared plus 3.54 squared minus 2 times 2.56 times 3.54 cosine 48.8 degrees. So, ganito, magamit natin ang cosine rule kung given ang two sides, tapos may included angle. So, magamit natin ang cosine rule. So, simplifying this value, will result to C is equal to 2.673 meter. Yun. Nakuha na natin ang answer ng question number 1. Now, the second one is find the angle opposite the 2.56 meter side. The angle opposite, that means, ito yung 2.56 meter side. So, ang opposite niya na angle is this one. So, this one is angle A. We'll call it angle A. This is the one we're looking for, the angle A. Find the angle opposite the 2.56 meters. So, dito, pwede natin magamit ang sine rule. Sine rule. We're looking for the A. A over sine A is equal to C over sine 48.8. Bakit itong C? Kasi yung C na yan, meron siyang angle opposite the C. Ang C, nasolve na natin ang C, so pwede na natin masolve ang angle A. Therefore, substituting the values, A is 2.56 over sine A, which is equal to C, which we solved it earlier as 2.673 meter, over sine 48.8. Angle A equal to 46.1 degrees. So, nasolve na natin yung second question, which is equal to find the angle opposite the 2.56 meter, which is equal to the angle A. Now, so yung the third question, find the angle opposite the 3.54 meter side. So, 3.54 meter side means the angle B because we designate this side as B. So, the opposite angle is angle B. So, hanapin natin ang angle B ngayon. A over the sine A. Here we are using again the sine rule. It's equal to B over the sine B. So, A, which is 2.56, over the opposite angle, which is equal to 46.1. So, sine 46.1 is equal to the B, which is equal to 3.54. This is the side, 3.54, over the opposite angle, which is the angle B. That means the sine B. Yun ang hinahanap natin, yung angle B. Now, sine B therefore is equal to 3.54 times sine 46.1 divided by 2.56. Simplifying this one will be therefore is equal to 85.1 degrees. So, nasolve na natin ang angle A, angle B, tapos yung the included angle which is angle C, which is 48.8. So, to check this one, if they are correct, we have to total the interior angles because in a triangle, whether it is an scalene, an irregular, or scalene triangle, an equilateral, isosceles, or obtuse, or right triangle, the total of the interior angles must be 180 degrees. So, itotal natin to, angle A plus angle B plus angle C must be equal to 180 degrees. Angle A is 46.1, angle A is 85.1, and angle C, which is 48.8, must be equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, 180 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Ibig sabihin, our answer in angle A, which is the second question, and the angle B, which is the third question, are correct.